Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all. Welcome back to Muslim Resolve. So inshallah in today's video we will gonna learn how to make Islamic post like this. Okay? Don't forget to say Darud inshallah. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad, or the best one is to say Darud Ibrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Okay, inshallah. Let's go ahead. So inshallah we will require some image of Masjid al-Nabawi. Okay, so I'll go in the Pinterest and I'll search for Masjid al-Nabawi. Okay, we will get some good images inshallah over here. Okay, we will go with this inshallah. So download image from here. So alhamdulillah the photo has been downloaded. So we will just go into the DaVinci Resolve. I have created a new project by calling it as post. So we will create a new timeline by pressing right click and in the timeline section create new timeline, and I'll just rename it as whatever we want, and just remember to untick this use project setting. And now we will go into the format section and just copy 1920 and paste it over here so that we will get same to same resolution. This will create a 1:1 ratio of timeline. Okay, so now inshallah we will gonna add the image of Umbadi Khazara. So now we will just drag and drop over here and we will just adjust the size. Maybe I can go in the inspector in the video section and down to the scaling and just fill. So now this will fill the screen. We will just adjust maybe like this or like this accordingly inshallah. Okay, so now we will gonna add some basic text. We will gonna take text plus inshallah, and I'll just copy the Arabic version. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Okay, I'll just paste over here. Now nothing is looking, so because the Open Sans font doesn't support Arabic text, now we will gonna change this text. Maybe this looks good inshallah. Now we will increase the size maybe inshallah and go into the shading section, go to the fourth and just click enabled. So now we got a background. So I'll just go down and level. Instead of character I'll select line. So now you can see the whole line is there. So now we will change the color of this blue to maybe, let's see how it looks, green. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, so now just adjust its size be like this. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Okay, like this maybe. This look good inshallah. Now we had added the Arabic. Now we will gonna add translation inshallah. You can also write the transliteration for the one who doesn't know how to read Arabic. So for now I'll go with the English version only. I'll just copy this and create a new text plus and just paste it. Let me adjust. Now change the font to something else. Abrima maybe I can go with bold. Again we can do same, we can go in the third also to add some shadow so that this might look visible. So I'll just adjust some words. Oh Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I'll just adjust like this maybe. So now you can see we have completed, but still it doesn't look like professional. So we will do some adjustment inshallah. I'll just select both and and just drag it over here above maybe 2. So I'll gonna add some maybe background so that our text should look visible. So I'll go to the generator, and here it is grayscale. I'll just drag and drop over here. I'll just change its value. I'll just to -90. Okay, and now we will gonna go into the composite section and just select M multiply. So now you can see our text is visible more clearly, better than before. See, before and after. Now you can adjust it more good. So I'll just crop it from right, because I have tilted the image, so now the bottom is getting as right. So also like this, and we will just adjust the softness, and we will just do more of like this. Now you can see our text is visible and it's looking more good. Okay, you can also add some logo, so you can add a logo also, inshallah. So now this looks a final. So we will just export this by going into the file section, export, and current frame as still, change its location, and now we got our post. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. So that's all for today, inshallah. Hope you like the video. If you want to know some other tricks and tips in the video editing section, inshallah, do let me know in the comment section below. Inshallah, I'll try to make a video for you. Until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.